Hey y'all, thank you for joining me on my bedroom floor as I get ready for this Halloween party that I'm going to tonight. I'm super excited about it. My costume is so cute, so cute. I'm so excited to share it with you. But first, we gotta do the makeup. I already did my hair, got in the shower and everything, and my hair is nice and fresh and clean. We're just gonna let her air dry. I did put some products in that. I did put some products in my hair. If y'all would like to see what I did, just, let me know, because, us curly hair girls got problems, but I feel like I finally found something that works for me. It might work for you too, who knows. I already prepped my face a little bit. I used the Starlit Glow Strawberry Face Serum by Hard Candy. I kind of like it because it makes my face feel a little bit hydrated. Also, it's a little tacky as well when it dries, so I kind of feel like it helps my foundation stick to my face too. So there's that. I usually use the BB cream lately. I've just been really gravitating towards it. This one's by Maybelline. It's their Dream BB cream. It has SPF in it, so that's really nice. I like this because it's really light, but I was kind of thinking I might use the glow. Because they didn't have a wide range, so the color might not be that off for me. I think I remember last time using it, it kind of matched my skin a little bit. So give me a second because I'm a dumbass and I forgot to wet my beauty blender. Let me just say that you always have to wet the beauty blender, okay? It helps with the application. It's really nice. Some people I know don't use a really wet beauty blender, and it is necessary. It's very necessary. I personally feel so. To each their own. You do you, but I feel like it helps so you don't have a cakey face. But yeah, we're gonna try this and see how it does. If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. Okay. So yeah, I decided to sit on the floor today just because I get some decent natural light. Ooh, don't mind my. Okay. I decided because I get some decent natural light from this window. It's decent. The other room's probably a little bit better, but that room is very cluttered and trashed right now because of all of my stuff I have yet to unpack. Life's been crazy, okay, so bear with me. Anyway, so I'm gonna do 2 pumps. Well, pump and a half, really. And then just dot it all over the face. Literally, you want to evenly distribute before you start blending, because at least with me personally, this might be too late for me. At least with me personally, I feel like we might need to add a little, maybe not. It's kind of, I don't know. We're going to drag it down. We're really just going to drag some of it down. Because I feel like it's too late. I don't know. How you feeling? How you feeling about it, Willis? Should we move? Nah, I like where I'm at. Don't mind me. I'm literally just, I'm very particular. I want to make sure things are right. So I'm going to make sure that everything's blended in nice and beautiful. Okay, so I moved a little bit because I felt like the lighting was really weird over there. It's still kind of weird. I'm trying to work with this natural light here. Forgive me. I'll figure it out. Anyway, fuck me if I say anyway again. Oh my gosh. So we are gonna put on some concealer. I think I'm gonna go in with this. This is the cream or the custard by NARS in medium. Don't shoot me, please. So I'm just going to go under my eyes a little bit. Probably because I don't get enough sleep, honestly. I got those dark circles, so yeah. And then I like to put some here and here, and I personally put some in these little shadows. I don't know. And then I'll just drag this out to here to lift my face a little bit. As you can see, this is drying up and is not. Oh, there's a squirrel. Wow, my dog. There we go. And then I'll put just a little bit on the nose, down the bridge. All the places that I want more light is where I'm going to put. Normally I would put the whole 9 yards, but I've been really trying to cut it back on the concealer because I don't want such a cakey look on my face. You feel like I just want it to look as natural as possible, but also like, I guess, airbrushed, but natural, but airbrushed, but natural. I don't want to look like I'm wearing a whole lot of makeup, but I also want to look like I'm wearing makeup. I don't know what I'm trying to say. If you understand, then throw a freaking green heart in the comments if you understand what I'm trying to say. If you feel me, then throw a green heart in the comments. I don't know. I don't even know if those little things that I did by my nose and my mouth even do anything, but I feel like they do. So, yeah. Now we gotta set the face. So let's see what my options are. I think I'm just gonna stick with my tried and true and stick with the translucent powder, just because I really don't want to like mess anything up on this look today. I just want everything to go so smooth and wonderful. Just get a fluffy brush. This one's from by BH. It needs a bath, but don't judge me. I mean, if you want, I guess that's your prerogative, but I'm not really gonna care about it. So I'm just gonna like set my face, do a light dusting of powder to set everything. Make sure you set that neck, bruh. We gotta set the neck, because if we don't, then like I don't want any transfer of anything on anything. Yeah. Anyway, so after the face is set, I think I'm just gonna move straight into brows. And the brow product that I've been using and have been loving is the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. It has the spoolie on the one end. I absolutely love this pencil. It's very similar to the Hard Candy brow pencil that I was loving for a while. I think I just like it so much because it's so thin and it's so like, I really can get in there and make my brow hairs, you know? So I'm gonna get kind of close. I know, like, yeah, I'm gonna get kind of close, okay? Sneak peek. We need to bring some color to this face because she's looking a little pale. I got a couple options. Obviously I'm prepared, but you know, it's a get ready with me. This is literally my favorite blush of life. Like, oh god damn it. See, it's so pretty. It has like this really pretty shimmer to it, you know? It's like this orangey. It looks so great on my skin. And this might be what I go with. I'm not sure. One of my favorites. It also has shimmer as well. This might be the guy. This might be the one. So first we're gonna contour. I'm gonna use this nasty old palette that I have from forever ago, and take this brush. I like it because it's flat and it's fluffy, so it blends out really well. We're going into Chocolate Soleil. Okay, so we're jumping into the blush because I keep getting distracted here. We're jumping into the blush. I'm going to take this guy. We're going to use this blush today. And I'm just going to put it on like the cheek, the apples of the cheeks. I'm going to drag it up just a little bit, just like to blend it up that way. But like I'm not going to like, I'm not doing that. So cheeks and then nose. Got to put it on the nose. I don't know why. I like that. I think it's cute. my picture style. Ew. Highlight today, because we're just gonna jump right on into the highlight. I got two options, it looks like. I have this really silverly one or this like golden one. We're going with this one. This one is by the Wet n Wild. It's they're loose. It's from like their Zodiac. It's called like their Zodiac collection, Written in the Stars. It's from a while ago, but it's one of my favorites. It's a little glittery. We're not gonna lie, a little glittery. Hold on, let me find my, here she is. My highlight brush is just this really big, fluffy blending brush I love so much. Tap off that excess. We're gonna start right here. Just dab it, because like she do get glittery. Like she, look at the highlight. Look at that, bruh. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. So now we're gonna move on to the eyes, since the face is basically done. I have the highlight on, you know, all that fun stuff. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the eyes. Basically all I'm gonna do with the eyes is I'm just gonna take some of my contour powder with a blending brush and kind of just deepen that up a little bit. Okay, so need to darken it up just a little bit more. So I'm gonna jump into this chocolate orange palette by, who is this by? I Heart Revolution. I'm gonna jump into this really, really dark brown. Yeah, we're just gonna tap, 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 because we don't want it to be too dark. I just want it to be like shadows. And I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and dip her into the translucent powder, and then clean her up just a little bit, because I got a little too messy. Now we are going to jump into a black. Any black will do. I'm using the Lorac Mega Pro Palette 3. Yeah, gonna use a angled brush. Jet black, here we go. And I'm just gonna line my lash line, you know, just. We don't want anything harsh, we just want it to be like a very, very soft wing. For lashes, I'm actually going to use the Regina lashes in the Mean Girls palette, or lash collection. Okay. Sorry, you won't be able to see this. Okay. Sorry that took so long to get those on, but they're on now. They look decent. There is so much glue on this side. I'm not the best at putting lashes on, I'm not gonna lie. But moving on. So we are going to go in with the Wet n Wild red lipstick, or should we do the Marilyn Monroe Scarlet Lip Stain? Ooh, we're gonna go with this guy. Okay, so because this is a stain, I have to be very precise about where I want this. So here we go. Here's to open, right? Beautiful. Look at these red lips. Oh, so luscious and beautiful. Actually, I look good with red lips. I don't know why I always throw things. It makes no sense to me. All right, last but not least, I'm just gonna take my little eyebrow pencil and darken up this little birthmark I got going on right here. Literally, I have like a little Marilyn Monroe birthmark. I think it's so fucking cute. Beautiful. Okay, so now here's the fun part. I'm going to jump into my costume and I will show you what it looks like after it's on. Ah! I'm excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, are you ready for this? Here we go. Look at it, it's so cute. It's so cute. I'm so like proud of this actually. Like I feel like I did an amazing job for this costume. So let me just take you through everything real quick. So we got the bunny ears, the rhinestone bow tie necklace with the matching gloves and rhinestone cuff, and then the corset as well. All of these are from Amazon, and then I did get a bunny tail. Can't forget the bunny tail. I love this bunny tail. It has like little silvery sparkle thingies in it, which is so cute. And then we got these American Eagle jeans that have a little rip in the butt to just give like there's a little rip right there just to give a little bit of, you know, peekaboo, a little bit of sexiness. And then the rhinestone fishnet tights, also from Amazon. I think I said already, right, that these jeans were from American Eagle. I'm pretty sure I said that. Jeans are from American Eagle if I hadn't said it. And then we have the boots. So these are my favorite boots right now. These are from Steve Madden. They actually have like a detachable chain that goes on them, but the chain was gold. Wouldn't have gone with this phenomenal, would not have gone with this phenomenal look that I got going on. So I do wish that I had gotten like a rhinestone belt, but that might have been too much. Let me know in the comments. Do you think I should have went with the rhinestone belt or no? I don't know. I felt like it might have been too much, so I like ixnayed it, but maybe that would have been like the perfect touch. I don't know. But here is the costume, y'all. I absolutely adore it. It is so cute, and it was super easy and simple to do. Like I said, everything is from Amazon, and I will link everything down below for you in case you want to recreate this bunny look yourself. So, yeah. With that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed it, and if you did, you know the drill, you know what to do. But I'm gonna get on out of here because I have a Halloween party to get to. So I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, babes.